Welcome for your interest in our 75 liters full waterproof function food delivery bag. The large size of front zipper closure of backpack and hand carrier mode. Damping shoulder straps and rear panel with reflective fabric round the bag, let delivery specialist more comfortable and safety on the road. Eye-catching design add-on your logo let drive your brand to increase visibility. The bag use strong and durable material. Load weight can reach 20 kilograms. Also, you can choose more option for motorcycle function. Let the bag fix on the motorcycle back seat. Inner design of aluminum foils lining and high-density insulation foam allows it to keep the temperature for up to 4 hours. Accept this style. We are welcome for tailor-made design order from customer. If you have interest or looking for a great supplier to help you produce your ideal food delivery bag, Sheng Bags and Design Limited is your great partner. Welcome to send us your requirement. Our email is sales@hongsheng.com.hk, or if you want to know more about us, please visit our website www.hongsheng.com.hk. Thank you.